guy.
Hey.
The Rambassador. I've never been given the official title of ambassador of place. You know, throughout my travels, I promote the places that I love, and it's always happened naturally, right? Where I feel like I endorse a place and support a place and it becomes family over time. But to be given an official title, the Rambassador, definitely means a lot to me. Consider me your property host out here at Rams Hill. I'm really gonna earn this title, Rambassador. I got tee times. I got access to a really unique golf experience. I got permission to do all kinds of things on property that they probably shouldn't be letting me do. Bob just yells at me for the pro shop. Hey Matt, can you make a food delivery for me? Where to? Where are we going, boss?
37 and 27.
37, 27.
37, 27.
Where are they?
One's at the range and one's on the first tee.
You guys order breakfast?
Yeah. Oh, what? Hell yeah.
You guys have fun out there. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
No, just pick up.
Pick up?
Yeah.
And what, how do I put it on hold? That one?
Yeah,
Hold?
hold.
Okay.
That's it.
I got the next one.
Yeah.
Thank you for calling the golf shop. This is Matt. May I put you on a brief hold, sir? Okay.
That was it. Got it.
It's 4:38 a.m. It's the USGA 4-ball today here at Rams Hill. I asked Willie if I could help them set up the course. Of course he said yes. Be there at 5 a.m., Matt. Oh, man. What time is it?
It's game time. It's USGA 4-ball. We got Tweedledee and Tweedledum.
Yep. Setting the course for the USGA 4-ball.
Kings. I don't know how we get into these situations,
I
Cardis.
mean, I know exactly how I get into these situations.
I don't know how I get into these
I've been trying
situations.
for 3 weeks to get this to happen, and today's the day.
Matt is gonna do the tee markers. Tú remueve las otras. Okay? Matt, you gonna help us with tee markers?
Yes, sir.
Please?
I'm on it.
Alright.
You trust me to do this, Willie?
Yes, sir.
I got you, man. I won't let you down, I promise.
Alright. Thanks, Randy.
All right, bro. Final words?
Let's do this!
Yeah. Straight up.
Cardis takes his job really seriously. If there's
I
a
mean-
speck of dirt on it,
If you're gonna do it, you do it right.
he's wiping it off. Jefe, el jefe está aquí. Jefe!
Are we doing all right? We got through 12. Yeah, I feel like we're in a good place. Tuche. It's Jesus. I love him. Not playing this morning, but I did take a little walk on the course. Noticed there was all kinds of divots on 18, so be responsible. Into the belly of the beast.
You need to put this in your truck.
What is it?
It's a bottle of tequila.
I like tequila. Oh, that's awesome. I never thought of cart barn guys as being perfectionists, but I mean, this is perfection to a T right here. Morning, sunshine.
Hey, come on, Matt.
Any chance I can get you to print the T-sheet for me?
Oh, yeah.
think on the green grass there is a golf ball other if it's not buried in the
I
dirt.
can see that. You want to be hired for every Monday?
No.
I need someone every Monday to do that.
No, dog.
Thanks,
Well,
man.
you know, I can help you every now and again. I've legitimately been thinking about your job for the past hour and a half.
Uh-huh.
And the goal is to get every golf ball off the grass so that maintenance can come in and mow the grass on the range.
Exactly.
And if you leave golf balls on the grass, then they're being cut up by the mowers, right?
Exactly. That was a good one. Hey, what the f? You got me too. My boy Matt
Yeah, dog.
and the whole crew.
It's
Having
so,
a good time.
it's so dope, man.
Happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there.
Yeah, man. It is pretty rad getting to come out and spend some time with the employees out here. They don't get to play a lot. Most of them don't play a lot, I should say. Some of them play all the time, like John plays every day. Not every day, but
Emily won. Emily won.
You got 118.
Rookie on the holiday? See you, man.
Doc.
Happy Thanksgiving, man.
thanks for inviting me, bro.
Yep, you know what?
Willie.
Good morning, my man. How are you?
Nice. Cool.
Isn't he dope? That's Puttz.
Nice.
Alright, we rigged Puttz up today with a bunch of teas. There's a drink token hidden in there. Just in case you don't believe me, there it is. A bunch of stickers and some swag. Puttz! Going to 17 today. Man, you got the best view in the house today, bud. Look at all the footprints and tire prints around Puttz right now. Like, insane. That was good placement, Matt. Ball's damn near empty. I thought it would tease the stickers twice today. Good job, buddy. Good job. At this point, I've put Puttz in so many spots, I'm beginning to forget in the mornings where I left them the day before. I mean, I've moved his location every day. Once a day. Today's in a tree. Alright, so we had a little issue this morning. My good friend Puttz, he got damaged. What happened? He lost his ear, right? So my man Alfred's here. He's gonna help me get him all fixed up. You made that look so easy. Should be making them. So I've made a conscious decision. I'm gonna leave Puttz out here at Rams Hill. So if you're looking for him, it's gonna be off the 18th green. Right there where everyone can enjoy him from the restaurant, the pro shop. I have literally looked all over property for the perfect place. I can't think of a better one. It's so good. Damn.
Oh, that's driven.
Thoroughly enjoyed it. Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Meet you guys there.
Right on,
Oh, yeah.
dude.
Thank you so much, Matt. We really appreciate it.
Let's go to the yacht club.
I've played over 300 golf courses in my life, and I've never seen anything like this. Very unique and amazing. Save it, keep it. I'm all for it.
Yeah. I'm glad you guys made it out today.
Congrats.
Really. You got a good kid here too.
I love that. Dude.
He's all right. He's a pretty good golfer. He only holds the course record out here at Rams Hill for the moment.
He played like he did.
The radio ran out of battery.
So you put the batteries in the radio?
Actually, I'm down here though. It's on charging right now.
A man of action. Dennis, am I a man of action? Which way did you come in today?
From the south.
Did you notice our improvements?
Yes.
Oh, you trying to train your dog?
Yeah. Come on, boy.
He's living his best life out here.
Yeah, I is.
Picasso, come! What's up, dude? The golf hobo beat the captain at sailing. Dude, how you feeling?
Hey, man. Yeah, last night just
Did you get some sleep?
up. Yeah, some sleep.
How many guys you got out here today?
I'd say we got 40, give or take, ballpark.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Good luck, gentlemen. Don't be so serious. Don't be so serious. Yeah. Have fun out there, guys. What's the word? Thank you, good sir. Oh, Oh, Who's here for?
I heard there was a good time here.
Who's here for a good time?
Not a long time, but a good time.
Yeah, dog. What's up? How you guys feeling?
Good, ready to go.
Granted, I didn't get my proposal done last night. Thank you.
Sorry for partying.
Bert's first time ever playing Rams Hill. Dr. Cardis, medicine woman. Just about to sign that Rams Hill.
All right, gentlemen, it's about that time.
All right, is it time?
Jasper.
That's all you're getting.
You need to
Bob.
stay another month. We need you here. You're experiencing every position.
What do you think about my time here, Bob? Like, I've done everything at this point.
You've done everything. You could actually train people for each position. Now, I don't know about general manager. I don't know if you did that.
I did
The
it.
desk.
I did it well.
You did?
Yeah.
All right.
Ask
What
Alan.
about chef? Were you cooking any food back there? I didn't see you
No,
cooking.
he wouldn't allow me in the kitchen. I appreciate you.
Good to see
Next
you,
time,
Matt.
Jasper.
All right. What?
Yeah, dog. Till next time.
See you, man.
I like that panel. That's my mom and dad's panel.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
All right, John's on the numero uno. So much fun as always.
It's been a blast, man.
Bro.
We'll have to do it again.
I appreciate
You got
you.
the cover for that?
Yeah,
Okay.
I appreciate you greatly. I hope you know that.
I tried to take care of you.
You're more than just an employee out here at
You
Rams
know,
Hill.
you stole my ambassador's title, but that's okay.
The Rambassador.
As long as they don't start calling me the hobo.
How do you say Rambassador in Spanish?
Rambassador is
What?
Rambassador.
Se dice adiós, amigo.
My dog. Till next time.
Feliz Navidad y feliz Año Nuevo.
Yeah, I appreciate
Que
you,
se la
bro.
pase bien con su familia. ¿Eh?
Man.
Hey, concert here.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Que vaya bien.
Next year. Próximo año. My dog, Chiche. He's the man. I'm telling you, I've connected with every single person out here in some way, shape, or form. It makes me really happy to know that, you know, I have a home, a place that I can always come back to and see a familiar face and a smile. It's my cheers, right? Where everybody knows your name.